Hey, look at that, we're right back. That didn't take long at all. So here we are, we removed the tape. And there's just, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's barely, I mean, just the thickness of the tape. A little edge there. Real close here, actually, almost no edge to here. Here a little different because it's round, you know, we were using that rough file. But there's a little line there, a little lip. But what we're going to do is put another strip of that fine line tape on there, that little 1/4 inch stuff, and then we'll use the 320 just with our fingers, you know, just here. Doesn't look like all of it got filled up. There's just some little bits and pieces, but you know what? It's not as bad as this stuff here that we're not going to fix. So, you know, I mean, it'll be all right. It looks pretty good. This one here, I think, was in better shape from the get-go. Just the filling aspect of it. I mean, we haven't touched it yet, but it really needed to be filled right in this area here where there was a wrinkle in the tape that bridged that gap across here when we put the filler in from the inside. So this is looking really good. We ought to be able to fix this right up in no time. That's kind of how you fudge things, I guess. I mean, I call it fudging. How you get things worked on. I mean, being able to knock that all back down without putting any sand scratches in this here and having to work on this. Now, if it was mine, obviously I'd fix everything and I'd paint the whole bit, but that's not what he wanted to do. You know, if he wants to send it back over to winter and have it, you know, the whole thing worked on, that's up to him. But at this point, we're going to get it back to him. He was talking about doing the test day with us in about 3 weeks. So that'd be cool. You know, we get him out there to do the track day with us. And then 2 weeks later, he would go to Kentucky, to Bowling Green, to the Corvette Museum. And then, you know, a month or so later off to Daytona. So there you go. That's it. We're going to go ahead and keep plugging away. We're listening to the Wolverines on the radio. Playing football. I don't know who they're playing. I'm not even really paying attention to it. But that's it. We're just messing around a little bit on a Saturday. It quit storming. The sun's out now, so it's all drying up. It was coming down like cats and dogs out there. Stay dry, folks. And hope you're enjoying the clips. Talk to y'all later.